Kingston College and Hydel High are celebrating contrasting title victories at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, which culminated at the National Stadium on Saturday evening. As Jermaine Brown reports, while KC defended their title, Hydel girls created history.
Kingston College were expected to hold off the challenges of their rivals, but it was expected to be a much closer affair on the girls' side at the 5-day Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, which ended on Saturday. And things went according to the form books, with the girls' side providing the most drama in the point standings on Saturday's final day. The results of the sprint medley final may well be considered the turning point on the girls' side, as with Hydel not represented after being disqualified in the heats, it was down to Edwin Allen to maximize the points from the event and retake the lead. But just as it seemed, the defending champions were not putting a foot wrong in the closing stages of what was turning out to be a battle royale. They did. They were disqualified from the event for a lane infringement. It meant that Hydel kept their lead heading into the final event, the 4x400 meter relay, and needed to finish second to dethrone the champions.
Their destiny not in their own hands altogether, and here come a strong run now from Onika Makanoff of Hydel.
Hydel now into second place, a position if they hold wins them girls championships.
Edwin Allen had no choice but to win the event to have any chance of retaining their title.
Edwin Allen with an inspired run here. Hydel though really well poised to get that silver medal and to put their team in a winning position. There's no doubting about who the winner of this race will be, but who will be the winner of the girls' championships? Hydel come through for the silver medal.
In one of the closest championships, the ferry-based Hydel created history in lifting their first title and ended Edwin Allen's 9-year unbeaten run. They amassed 279 points to Edwin Allen's 277.
I'm just really lost for words. God is good. God is good. God is good. God has been with us all along. And even though we never believed we could have, things just kind of went our way. And, I asked the girls to just dig a little deeper, perform a little better. We got some great performances, as you would have seen from some of our athletes. But God is good. And this is just, we started in 2010, it's now 2023, 13 years later. God is good.
Homo Technical with the 202, St. Jago 178, and St. Catherine High with 116 points rounded out the top 5 schools. Meanwhile, it was a total contrast on the boys' side, as Kingston College, with the unrivaled Bouaji and Krumi leading their charge, never relinquished their lead once they went in front at the championships. It was a dominant display from the Purples as they amassed 366 points to defend their title, securing a 34th overall hold on the Mortimer Geddes Trophy.
Nothing different. We never come into a championship with a complacent mindset, but always go out there, do your best, and that's what we did, and we get a victory.
KC easily fended off Jamaica College, who ended second with 299 points, Calabar 207, St. Jago 118.5, and Stets 116 points, rounding out the top 5. Maybe befittingly with the performances of the meet, and Krumi with a record 9.99 in the Class 1 100 meters, and Alana Reid with a record 10.92 in the Class 1 Girls 100 meters and taking the sprint double, were able to triumphantly lift the titles on the crowning moments of their champs' careers. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.